Excuse me, could you please come here for a moment?
Of course. Is everything all right with your meal?
I am sorry, but I just noticed something in my salad.
Oh, I see. What seems to be the problem?
There is a hair in the salad, right here on top next to the tomatoes.
I am very sorry about that. May I take the plate and bring you a new salad?
Yes, please. I was really enjoying it before I found the hair.
Thank you for telling me. I will bring a fresh salad right away.
Thank you. I do appreciate your help.
I will also tell the kitchen to be extra careful. Would you like anything else while you wait?
A glass of water would be nice, if that is possible.
Absolutely. I will bring you a glass of water now.
Thank you. Mistakes happen. I just hope it does not happen often here.
We try to keep everything very clean. I will remind our staff to be even more careful.
I really like this restaurant, so I am glad you handle it well.
That means a lot to us. Thank you. Here is your water and a new salad.
Thank you so much. This looks perfect now.
You are very welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else.
It feels nice to finally have a movie night. The snacks are ready.
I am glad we are doing this. It has been a busy week.
Great. Did you bring the movie I asked for?
Let me check my bag. Hold on. Oh no. I think I forgot the DVD at home.
Really? Are you sure it is not there?
I am sorry, Rachel. I was in a rush and left it on my table.
That is a little disappointing. I was looking forward to it.
I really feel bad. I did not mean to forget.
It happens sometimes. Is there anything else we can do?
Do you want to see if there is something good online? Maybe we can stream a movie instead.
That could work. Which one do you want to watch?
Perhaps a comedy? I know you like those.
Yes, comedies always cheer me up. Do you have any suggestions?
I know one. I saw a new funny movie online last week. Do you want to try that?
Yes, let us watch that one. Thank you for thinking fast.
Thank you for being understanding. I will start the movie now.
No problem. This will be fun. Hi, Eric. I saw you at the printer just now.
Hi, Jenna. Yes, I was picking up my report for the meeting.
Did you see a file about the monthly budget there? I sent it this morning.
No, I only saw a file with sales numbers. That is what I needed for the meeting.
I just checked the tray. I only found this copy, and it is not mine.
That is strange. I printed something, but maybe I chose the wrong file.
Could you have printed my budget by mistake? The reports look similar.
It is possible. Both files were open and I was in a hurry.
Do you remember which file you clicked before printing?
I thought I clicked the sales one, but I did not double check the name.
Well, can I look at the file you printed? I need the budget for my meeting soon.
Sure, it is right here in my folder. Let me check the cover page. Oh no, this is your monthly budget report. I printed the wrong document.
Thank you for checking, Eric. That explains why my file was missing.
Sorry about the mix-up. Here is your report, Jenna.
That is fine. Thank you for returning it so quickly.
My pleasure. Let me make sure I print the correct file this time.
Double checking is always good. Have a great meeting, Eric.
You too, Jenna. Good luck with your presentation.
David, have you seen Ella's shoes anywhere? I am looking, but they are not by the door.
I do not think I have seen them today. Did you check under the table?
Yes, I looked there already. I put them by the door last night, I am sure.
Maybe Ella moved them this morning. Should I look in her room?
Thank you, that would help. I will look in the closet one more time.
Her room is a little messy, but I do not see any shoes on the floor.
They are not in the closet or under the sofa. I wonder if she took them off in the kitchen.
I will check near the kitchen table. Sometimes she hides shoes there.
I am starting to worry we will be late. She cannot go without her shoes.
You are right. I still cannot see them in the kitchen. Maybe in the bathroom?
That is possible. She was brushing her teeth there. I will look now.
Sandra, what about the backpack? Sometimes Ella puts things inside.
Oh, I did not think of that. I will open it and see. David, here they are! Both shoes were inside her backpack.
That is great news. I am glad you found them.
I will tell Ella she is hiding shoes now. Thank you for helping.
You are welcome. I hope the rest of your day is calm.
Thank you so much. Now we can leave on time.
Excuse me, may I ask you something here?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I am visiting the city and I just lost my paper map somewhere.
Oh, that is unlucky. Do you remember where you had it last?
I think I had it near the fountain, but now I cannot find it in my bag.
Did you check your pockets and all compartments of your backpack?
Yes, I just checked everything, but it is not there. I feel a bit lost.
That can happen easily. Would you like a new map? We sell them at the kiosk.
Yes, please. How much does a map cost here?
It is only €2 for a map. I can also point out your current location on it.
That is very kind of you. I will take one, please.
Here is the map for you. Where would you like to go first?
I want to visit the old cathedral, but I am not sure which direction to walk.
Let me show you on the map. You need to go straight ahead and turn right at the second street.
Oh, that seems simple, thank you. I got worried when I lost my map.
No problem at all. Is there anything else you need help with?
No, that is all. I really appreciate your help.
Enjoy your visit to the cathedral. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. I will. Have a wonderful day too. Hello, Emily. Are you ready to start studying for the exam?
Hi, Daniel. Yes, I have all my notes and I feel ready.
That is good to hear. By the way, did you bring your own pen today?
Let me check. Oh, wait. This is your pen. I borrowed it yesterday.
Yes, I remember lending it to you. I went home and realized I did not have it.
Oh no, I am sorry. I completely forgot to give it back.
It is all right. This pen is special to me because it was a gift from my sister.
I had no idea. I would have been much more careful if I had known.
I understand. Thank you for bringing it back today.
Here it is. It still works well. I did not lose the cap either.
Thank you for returning it. Next time, just remind me if you need to borrow it again.
I will promise to do that. Sometimes my mind is full and I forget small things.
It happens to all of us. I have forgotten my notebook here before.
Did you really? What did you do then?
I rushed back and found it on this same table. Sometimes luck is with me.
We should help each other remember things. It makes life easier.
Yes, that is a great idea. Thank you again for returning my pen.
Of course. Have a great study session today.
Hello, I would like to check out these groceries, please.
Of course, I will start scanning them right away. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I did. Thank you for asking.
That is good to hear. I hope your day is going well.
It has been fine so far.
I just have a few more items to scan, then I will give you your total.
Thank you. Could you please be careful with the eggs?
Of course, I will place them gently.
Oh, wait. I think there is a problem with this jar.
Let me see it. What seems to be wrong?
There is a crack in the glass near the lid. I did not notice it before.
You are right. That is a big crack. I am very sorry about this.
Could I get a new one? I do not want to take this home.
Absolutely. I will get a fresh jar for you right now. I will be back in just a moment with your replacement.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Thank you for letting me know.
Hello, Maya. I see you are busy with your plants today.
Hi, James. Yes, I love taking care of them when the weather is nice.
I noticed you watering some flowers near the gate. They look very different from your usual ones.
Oh, I thought those were mine. Are you sure?
I believe those pots next to the bench belong to Mrs. Carter. She arranged them just last week.
Oh no, I did not pay close attention. I used brown pots too and got confused.
It happens. The pots do look very similar, and they are close together.
I hope I did not give her plants too much water. Some flowers can be very sensitive.
Do not worry too much. Mrs. Carter is very kind. Maybe you can check with her later.
That is a good idea. I should explain what happened and make sure everything is all right.
Have you ever mixed up plants before?
One time, I watered plastic flowers on a friend's patio. It was a little embarrassing.
That is funny. At least real plants can benefit from some extra care.
But this time, I feel bad because I know Mrs. Carter treasures her garden.
This is not your fault. The labels have faded, and it is easy to mix them up.
Thank you, James. I will talk to Mrs. Carter soon and offer to help with her plants.
I am sure she will understand. Your kindness means a lot.
Thank you so much for letting me know.
Have a wonderful afternoon, Maya.
You too, James. Enjoy the sun.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Glenway Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello. I have just checked into my room, but I am not very comfortable there.
I am sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what the problem is?
Yes. My room is next to the elevator. It is very noisy, and I hear people talking in the hallway.
Thank you for telling me. I understand how that can be uncomfortable.
Is it possible to change to a quieter room, please?
Let me check our system for available rooms. Can you wait for a moment?
Of course, I can wait. Thank you for checking.
Thank you. I see there is a room on the 4th floor, away from the elevator. It is a double room with a garden view.
That sounds very nice. Will there be any extra charge for this room?
The price is the same as your current room. I will just need a few minutes to prepare it for you.
I appreciate your help. Should I wait here or in my current room?
You can stay here if you like, or you can collect your things and return. How do you prefer?
I will go and pack my suitcase and come back here.
Very good. I will make sure your new room is ready when you return.
Thank you, Mark. That solves my problem.
You are very welcome, Linda. We want all our guests to feel comfortable.
Thank you so much.
Have a great stay at our hotel.
David, could you please pass me the orange juice?
Of course, Emma. Here you go.
Thank you. This breakfast looks so nice today.
I'm glad you think so. The children really helped set the table.
Yes, they were excited to help. Did you see Mia with the napkins?
Yes, I did. She was very serious about it. She used 3 for her spot.
She is always so careful. Oh, what was that sound?
I think Max just spilled his juice.
Let me check. Oh no, there is juice all over the tablecloth.
Do not worry. It happens sometimes. We can clean it up.
I just washed this tablecloth yesterday. It is brand new.
Maybe we can use some soda water on the stain. That helped last time.
I hope it will work. I really like how it looks on the table.
I will help you with it right now. Max looks sorry.
Yes, he is only 5. I know he did not mean it.
Let us clean the tablecloth together and make sure breakfast stays happy.
Thank you so much, David. That makes me feel better.
You are welcome. Breakfast is more fun with a little help and laughter.
Have a great morning, David.